Hello everyone, welcome to another Lego how-to build. For today's episode, we'll be making King Kong. Since there's going to be a Godzilla vs. King Kong movie, I was thinking, why not one of the kaijus? So, Godzilla was a bit hard for me, so I came up with King Kong. And he turned out great. So, let's see what he looks like. Once again, more ball joints. So remember the lava guy from Spider-Man Far From Home? I use the same layout as him, especially the body. I think the head is really accurate. I liked what I did on his head. So without further ado, let's create this bad boy. Here are the pieces you need for the arms. 4 by 4 underbelly downward slope, and a 2 by 2. I mean, 1 by 2, and then a 2 by 2. And then a 1 by 2, and then a 2 by 2, and then another 1 by 2. And then you'll need a 2 by 2 with ball joints on both sides, and then a 2 by 1 bracket down. Put it on both sides, and place a 1 by 2 here. A 2 by 2, and then a 2 by 2. You could also do 2 by 2s here as well. And put it, and then connect it. Make sure you mirror both of these. Fist bump. Now let's work on the legs. Here are the pieces you'll need for the legs. So you'll need a 2 by 2 thick ball joint holder. I'm gonna put it on a 2 by 2. I mean a 2 by 4, and then 2 by 1s thick, 2 of them, and then a 2 by 4, and then a 1 by 4 downward slope, and you need 2 of these, and then just connect it if you want. And you don't have to mirror it, it's actually exactly identical. And now let's move on to the head. These are the pieces you'll need for the head. Now we'll need a 1 by 2 handlebar, and a 1 by and there you have the head. Rawr. Now let's move on to the body. Okay, let's do it. We're going to split the body into 3 sections. Section 1, the front chest. Section 2, the the insides, and section 3, the back chest, the back. Let's start off with section 2. Here are the pieces you'll need for the body. So you need a 1x2 with a 2x4. You need 2 of them, actually 4 because you're going to make 2 of these, and then a tile, and put them on the bottom. Make sure you make 2, they don't need to be mirrored. A master glue stick. It's right here, and then put it right here. Connect it here, and there it is. You have the inner chest on section 2. Now let's move on to section 1 of the body. These are the pieces you need for section 1 of the front chest. You'll need these 8x3 diagonals and a 8x2, and put it on each other. And you need a 1x3. And there you got the front chest. These are the pieces you will need for the back. Now you'll need a 4x4 diagonals and a 2x3. Connect it with a 2x6. Dang it. I think this is how it gone. There's my problem. There's my problem. There. There's my problem fixed. And then here's the chest piece. And there you have the body. Now, let's assemble it all. Now, the body needs its arms. King Kong needs his stomping feet. And he needs his echoing, roaring head. He could sort of do his pounding chest thing that he always does. Sort of. And there is King Kong. And there you have it. You have yourself a Lego King Kong. And he's ready to fight the Skullcrawler. Remember to smash the like button and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss a thing. And share this with your friends. And I'll see you guys on the next show. Goodbye!